Difference between nouns, adjectives, and verbs. Noun. Noun are names of a person, animals, place, things, or events. The example is we got on a boat. The noun is we. Adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. Example: Glorbo fruto drillo is a big rock. The adjective is big. Verb. Verb is an action word. Example: He is running to the finish line. The verb is running. So in sentence, the noun is the name of the subject while the verb is the action that the subject is doing, and last, the adjective is the one that describing the noun or the subject. Example of a sentence with a noun, adjective, and verb. Frogs can hop really high and they are very slimy. The verb is hop. The noun is frogs. And the adjective is slimy. The end.